Hi everyone, Alan from Pack. Today, small video of the Satin Kit. We do two versions, a PlastiDip version or a FullDip version. They're basically identical, they came with the same stuff. For the PlastiDip one you get a gallon of PlastiDip, you get a spare container, and you also get a litre of glossifier. With the FullDip kit, you get 4 litre of the clear FullDip. You also get the spare container and lid, and you also get the 1 litre of the glossifier. They're basically identical, but from what we found, the PlastiDip version is more of a matte satin, and the FullDip version is more of a glossy sort of satin. It's hard to, they're very similar, but there is a very slight difference between them. Of course you can mix and match, you can put the FullDip kit over the top of a PlastiDip job, and you can put the PlastiDip job over the top of a FullDip job. It's irrelevant, you can mix and match. So we are now going to mix one up because we've actually got a customer job in, and we're going to do a FullDip satin kit, and we're going to use the pigment. It's identical process to using a tinter or a drop-in, anything like that. So the process we recommend is you get your container, you put your 1 litre of glossifier in, you then put your pigment or your drop-in in, put the lid on, give it a really good shake, then you crack the lid off of whichever one you're using, pour about half of it in, give it another really good shake, then pour the rest of it in, shut the lid, give it a really good shake. That's it, let it settle for a while. Give it another good shake, and that's it, that'll be ready for use then. So we're just going to mix one up quick, show you. It's dead easy. You can get all this on the shop. Right.